Let me ask you this. What would $100 a day do for you? Maybe even $300 a day. How about $600 a day or even $900 a day? I'm here to talk about the Daily Pay Blueprint program that I started about 6 weeks ago. I've already made over $6,000. I've paid my money back within 10 days, my initial investment. It is so amazing. I've looked everywhere. I've tried all sorts of different courses, programs, and investments. I've finally found one where you can work 2 hours a day. It is totally legit. It's not an MLM. You get 100% profit. There is a one-time buy-in fee, and you get a wonderful program, how to run a business. You get your own website built. There's an automated email system. I plugged into it and I earned my money back within 10 days. Some people have done it sooner. It took a little while to get going. I'm a busy mom of two. I'm a full-time French teacher here in Alberta. I would not be coming to you if I didn't believe that this is legit. It has changed our lives. If you are looking to get out of some debt, you are looking for a vacation, if you are trying to retire and unable to do so, you just don't have the funds coming in, this is a great way to do that. If you're a busy stay-at-home mom, if you're a teacher looking to dial back on your hours, you are a nurse, Xers out there, this is perfect side income that you can get. It's more than side income for many. Some people are making 6 figures, 7 figures since they've started, and I want you to check out the blueprint. Comment yes, and I will send you the link to the blueprint. All you need to do is check it out. It is free for looking. I know once you get the info, you're going to be very surprised how wonderful this opportunity is. You can get in as little as $100, a one-time fee. There's a $29 website fee. Is it? And maybe your domain, which cost me $16, and that is it. There are no other expenses. Get in now, check it out, comment yes, and I will send the blueprint your way. Take a chance. Take a chance on yourself, change your life. It's changed mine, it's changed many people's. This is a program that you do not want to miss.